Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a hole feature. Within the next 6 to 8 minutes, you're going to know exactly how to do holes fast and easy. It's going to give you your notes, it's going to give you all your diameters and your settings that you need to give through to the machine shop to make your holes work exactly to what you need. So enjoy, guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. I've already done the block for us. So we're going to go to our hole feature. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the surface that we want the hole into. So I'm going to select the top surface here. Then the next thing it's going to ask is two reference points. So if you want to use your datum planes, you can. If you want to use your surfaces, you can. You can use your edge. I can use that edge. I can use the surface or the datum plane. Doesn't matter. So that one there. This one I'm going to use the edge. Okay, just to show you guys. Your diameter here, you can make whatever, 30. Okay, your length. Obviously you can just drag it up and down. So if you just want to go right through, you just drag it to wherever and just do your hole. So if you say okay now, just have a hole right through. Edit definition. You can change the diameter of the hole by just dragging it. So I mean, if I want this to be 78 like that, that's fine. Then I just say okay. Same thing. Back to our edit definition. If you want a flat hole, so let's go back here quickly. Let's make this say 70 and we say okay. Now if I go to my hidden, you'll see this hole is it's flat, right? So depending on what tool you want them to use, you can do a flat hole like this, which is more difficult to do, or you can use a normal drill hole. So if you want a normal drill hole, you say edit definition, we click on this tab here. Okay, as you can see now it's got a sharp point like a drill, so the same as a normal standard drill bit. Then you say okay, and now it's got a point, okay, like a standard drill bit. So it depends what tooling you want them to use for that. So then the other feature we've got here, so you had your simple hole. The next feature we've got is our standard tapped hole. So we can click on there. Now it's going to give us ISO or UNC or UNF depending on what you're working in. So I'm going to use the ISO today. We are going to go to quite a big bolt. I'm going to use a 30 just for so you guys can see nicely. So I'm going to go 30 by 2. Okay. Then as you can see here, there's your dimension. It's going to there. So now it depends what you want. If you want your dimension to run from that tip, that's fine. All you have to do is you click here and you change it to that one, and now it will run to the front of your hole. Okay, if I change this to 75, we'll shorten that hole. Okay, now if I go there and I change it to 75, you'll see there it's back to its normal size there plus the tip. So it just depends what you're looking for, what you're planning on doing with it. Again, you've got all your ISO sizes here. If you want the UNC ones, obviously UNC is going to be different. So there's all your UNCs, but we're going to stick to our ISOs today. So we'll go 30 by 2. As you can see there, it remembers. So if you've done this size before, it will be in its top 2 columns here, or 3 columns. Then it will be all your standard stuff. Okay, so you've done ISO, you've done M30, You know your depth that you want of your of your tap and of your drill, so that's fine. Now again, we've got our standard to blind, then we've got our drill up to the next surface, then we've got our right through, then we've got our drill to intersect with the selected surface. So unfortunately, I don't have another surface here except the bottom. So it's going to look the same as the right through, but you get the idea. And then to blind is obviously also depending on the surface you select. So not to blind, to also to surface. So we're just going to go on our normal depth, which is fine. Okay, so just a few other things here. We're gonna, if you want the hole to be taper, you have this tab right here. You're gonna click there. Okay, so just another feature or two. So if you want to make the hole taper, this will be your not taper, countersink. So this will be your countersink feature here. But we're just gonna have to change it slightly smaller here. Otherwise the head of the bolt's not going to fit on this block. So we're going to say countersink, and we say okay. And as you can see there, now it's countersunk on your part already. Okay. If you want to, if you're using a cap screw, so counterbore, not countersink, again click on here and it should automatically do it for you according to the bolt you're using. So it works on its standard sizes. So okay, and there it is, as you can see there. Okay, now all I'm going to do is change it back to 30. Okay, then I just want to show you guys another one, just a few small things. Placement. So this is going to be your sizes, yeah. So if I don't want to change the sizes there, I can just change the sizes here. So we can say 100, and then if I want to change the other one to 150, as you can see, easy. Your shape, there's the shape of your hole. So if I take my countersink away now, it will change it back to that shape there. So these are your, this is now working on your standard sizes that the bolts come with, but if you want to add your own custom sizes, you can. All you have to do is change this. So you can go change it according to what you feel, depending on your specs, obviously. That will give you your angles, your depth, all of that. So quite nice. There you can adjust all your settings basically on the size of the hole and the way you want the hole. Your notes, this is the actual note that's going to show. So there's your note, very simple. So now if I want to go back, then the only one left is your properties. So this will be your properties of your actual hole. So again, your diameter of the bolt, the depth, all the pitch of the threads, all that stuff is right here. So that's all your information for your bolt. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you guys will use this. It's quite a nice feature. It saves you a lot of time. So I hope it works for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.